Introducing Angled Mosaic 3D Embossing Folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. This 3D embossing folder features an amazing geometric design comprised of triangles and parallelograms. Use it to create textures on your card front or to make a textured photo mat on your next scrapbook layout. It's also a fantastic way to add interest to cardstock die cuts. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will create 3-dimensional designs to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders to create beautiful 3-dimensional designs.
This is Blissful Blossom Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 28 individual stamps. Enjoy the good things in life with this delightful floral stamp set. This is a layering stamp set containing a set of 3 flowers and 2 single flowers, each containing up to 3 layers. There are also 3 sets of leaf branches that coordinate well with the flowers. It can be used to create elegant looking floral cards and other projects.
Introducing Craft Room Organisation Decal Set from Altenew. This decal set includes 2 sheets which include 44 individual decals. It's time to get organised. This decal set includes 10 different crafty product labels in 2 different fonts, so you can label your shelves, drawers, bins or whatever you use to store your supplies. Keeping everything neat and tidy will help you be more productive as you craft. To add additional beauty to these stylish labels, we have also included 22 floral elements that you can use to adorn anything you please.
This is Dots and Boxes stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 7 individual stamps. Embrace your dreams with this beautiful geometric background stamp set. The large background stamp in this set is made of differently sized boxes of assorted dots. It also contains a long rectangular strip of dots that can be used for borders or along the edges of cards, scrapbook layouts or other paper crafting projects. This is Goldfish Pond Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 7 individual stamps. Just keep swimming. Create wonderful cards for family and friends with this lovely Goldfish Pond Stamp Set. This set includes 2 goldfish, water lilies, pond plants, pebbles and 4 sentiments. With all the images together you can create a beautiful watery look. Think DIY aquariums, a pond scene and more. This is Inspirational Quote Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 19 individual stamps. You will never run out of motivational quotes to add to your projects with this stamp set in your collection. This stamp set has a half-wreath image featuring a pretty peony flower and leaves to frame your cards. It also has a few extra floral elements to give your project more character. This sentiment-heavy stamp set features lots of inspiring quotes from famous poets that will add a special uplifting touch to your handmade cards, scrapbook layouts, journal pages, DIY gift tags and other paper crafted projects.
Introducing Ornamental Feature 3D Embossing Folder from Altenew. Make your next project all about the sentiment with this gorgeous 3D embossing folder. It will emboss 2 decorative half mandalas with a space in the centre to stamp your favourite word or phrase. Leave it plain for an elegant and understated look, or ink or colour the elements for a bolder approach. Instead of merely achieving 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will create a 3-dimensional design to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine, following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders, to create beautiful 3-dimensional designs.
This is Peaceful Serenity Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 11 individual stamps. This stamp set will have you daydreaming in no time. It features a beautiful sunset over the water in a charming hand-sketched style. It is accompanied by uplifting and encouraging sentiments along with the words peace and serenity in a lovely cursive font. Get out your watercolors or other favorite coloring medium to give the image a soft wash of color. We can't wait to see what you create. This is Soar Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 2x3 stamp set with 5 individual stamps. This mini stamp set features a serene bird flying in a simple hand-sketched style. It is accompanied by its reflection so you can easily stamp the bird above water along with 2 sentiment quote options. This set is great on its own, but it can also be paired with our Peaceful Serenity stamp set to create a lovely scene on your next paper crafted project. This is Postal Hero Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 10 individual stamps. This stamp set is part of our Everyday Heroes series, which honors the heroes we have all around us to keep society functioning. Leave a special note for your mail carrier in your mailbox. Place a gift on your porch with a personalized gift tag, or honor a mail carrier in the family with a special scrapbook page. We are excited to see the creative ways you use this set in your craft room.
Introducing Tranquility Rose Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8" clear stamp set containing 21 individual stamps. Put your heart at ease with this gorgeous outline stamp set. This stamp set features a large rose in full bloom, along with 3 feathered leaves and some smaller flower clusters. The delicate lines detail the folds and flow of the botanical elements, making them perfect for colouring enthusiasts. Although if you're not keen on colouring, this set also has a coordinating simple colouring stencil that will allow you to add gorgeous layered colouring in no time. Introducing Tranquility Rose Simple Colouring Stencil Set from Altenew. This stencil set includes 4 6x6 stencils. Put your heart at ease with this gorgeous floral colouring stencil set. These simple colouring stencils coordinate with our beautiful Tranquility Rose stamp set. Instead of using your favourite colouring mediums to add colour to the image, you can use these stencils to add ink blended layers in no time. Simply line up the stencil with the stamped image and ink through using your favourite ink colours. These stencils are part of our unique line of simple colouring stencils and will make adding gorgeous layers and shading a breeze. Introducing You Are Beautiful stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6 by 8 inch clear stamp set containing 19 individual stamps. Let someone special know how beautiful they are to you with this gorgeous floral stamp set. The set features a large hibiscus flower with an outline and 5 colour layers. Each of the 2 leaves has an outline and 3 colour layers also. Create a stunning bouquet of hibiscus flowers or pair the stamps in the set with others in your collection for even more creative options. The set also features 5 sentiments to finish off your handmade projects. Introducing You Are Beautiful Simple Colouring Stencil Set from Altenew. The set includes 2 6x6 simple colouring stencils. Let someone know just how beautiful they are to you with these gorgeous florals. This simple colouring stencil coordinates with our You Are Beautiful stamp set. These stencils are part of our unique line of colouring stencils created to be used with their corresponding stamp sets. Adding blended layers and details in a flash to the large hibiscus bloom and leaves in this set with little effort needed. Introducing Quiet Reflections washi tape. So we are introducing 2 new washi tapes this time around. They are both 1/4 inch wide by 10 meters long. So you're going to get lots and lots here. The first up we have is the delicate polka dots. This is on a background of white and has some beautiful delicate black polka dots on there. And we also have the delicate stripes. Again, a white background with some beautiful black thin stripes on there. These are great to add onto all of your paper crafting projects to add a touch of detail and interest to the side or wherever you want to place it. We are introducing 3 new collections of ink in our Quiet Reflections December 2020 release. So we have 3 new collections here, and you can see that each of them has 4 different inks. The first collection we have is Martian Terrain, and in here we have the Pastel Sunrise, Canyon Clay, Burnt Red and Mahogany Bark. There's a beautiful red tones in here. Then next up we have the beautiful Northern Shore. These are really crisp blues. So we have Polar Bear, Icy Water, Winter Lake and Arctic Mountain in there. For our new green collection, which is Nature's Wonders, we have Misty Moor, Marshland, Sea Forest and Mangrove Root. So as well as having our oval inks, we also have them in the small ink cubes as well, which comes in the collection of 4. And as well as that, we also have the re-inkers too. So you're going to be able to re-ink either the cubes or the ovals, whichever ink that you do go for. So you can see here that we have the beautiful collection, and there is so many different colors in there. So we have beautiful reds, blues and greens, all with a kind of a muted tone, I feel, in this collection. So we really do hope that you like the colors of our new inks, and we hope to see you using them soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.